Hey there and welcome back. Today we're going to get straight into the truth about inflammatory bowel disease that too few people are talking about. This isn't just a problem of bad genes or overactive immunity, it's a redox problem. And at the centre of that, we find mitochondrial dysfunction. So let's define the real enemy here, oxidative stress. It's not just inflammation, it's molecular damage caused by reactive oxygen species, or ROS. In inflammatory bowel disease, ROS production goes through the roof, and your body's natural antioxidants can't keep up. That imbalance creates a cascade. Damage to DNA, proteins, and lipids. Breakdown of the gut barrier, overactivation of immune responses, and a vicious cycle of chronic inflammation. This is what drives disease progression, not just the symptoms you feel, but the deeper damage happening at the cellular level. So where do mitochondria fit in? Your mitochondria aren't just little power stations, they're also your cell's ROS regulators, melatonin factories, and stress response hubs. When mitochondria become dysfunctional, be it through toxins, poor diet, lack of sunlight, or circadian rhythm disruption, ROS gets out of control. And instead of being cleaned up, it builds up, destroying the gut lining and fueling inflammation. In fact, one of the key pathways, called NRF2, which should protect your gut with antioxidant enzymes, is often shut down in people with IBD. Instead of just blasting the immune system with meds, what if we supported the body's own antioxidant defences? That's exactly what certain natural compounds can do. Let's talk through a few. Now, I'm not saying supplement with these, but it's interesting nonetheless of what some natural compounds can do. Resveratrol, found in grapes, activates SIRT1, downregulates NF-kappa B, and protects mitochondria. However, the caveat here is if you eat too many and have insulin resistance or very high levels of insulin, this is also detrimental to mitochondrial function. Curcumin from turmeric restores gut barrier function, enhances mitophagy and modulates inflammation through AMPK. Quercetin helps rebuild tight junctions in the gut lining and regulates redox signaling. Berberine works via AMPK and SIRT1 to reduce oxidative stress and enhance mitochondrial resilience. And melatonin, this one deserves particular attention. Most people think melatonin is a sleep hormone made only in the brain, but this is wrong. Melatonin is produced in every cell, especially inside your mitochondria. But here's the catch. If your mitochondria are broken, they don't produce it. Now, you don't necessarily need to supplement melatonin. What you need to do is restore mitochondrial function, and your body will take care of melatonin production on its own. So the final thoughts here are stop chasing symptoms, fix the terrain. IBD isn't just a gut issue, it's a systemic mitochondrial redox crisis. And suppressing symptoms with anti-inflammatories will never be enough, in my opinion. You've got to rebuild the metabolic foundation. Support the mitochondria, restore NRF2 signaling, rebuild antioxidant capacity from within. That's how you shift the game from symptom management to deep reversal. If this episode made you rethink what's actually driving IBD, then good. Now you know why your supplement drawer isn't fixing the problem. If you're ready to stop managing symptoms and start working at the root, check the show notes for how to work with me directly. Thanks for listening. Now go and do something your future self will thank you for.